Hi, I'm Jim Clemens from Troop 727. I'm the Scoutmaster and we're out of Rancho Santa Margarita. This video here is about bear bags. In California, we do have to worry about bears. Some camps have bear canisters or bear containers that you put your stuff in. There's other items you could use or bear containers. You can get those at any camping store. It's just a container to put your junk in, and some places require that. You get in Sierras, you've got to have a bear container. One of the things I like about bear containers is you can use it to sit on and all sorts of stuff. One thing I don't like, it takes up a lot of space in your pack. So you got to really jam your food in there. Note, put some reflective tape on it. Bear gets a hold of it, starts kicking it around the trail. You want to look for it at night. You want to go ahead and use your flashlight and find it. But let's talk about bear bags. I like these. It's small, compact. I put it in my backpack. I can use it. All that you need to do is have a bear bag. It's a small bag because you're not going to pull your food in here, but this carries all your equipment to do it. What I have is I have some rope, about 100 feet, could be 50 feet. It just depends on what you're comfortable with. Also in here are two carabiners. I have a large carabiner and I have a small carabiner. Okay, so how this works is that I hang my smellables, which are your food and your sunscreen and your gum and your deodorant and your chapstick and all that stuff, and you hang it on the small carabiner. Okay, once you've got this up over the limb, let's say this is the limb, I want to go ahead and route my down cord through the small carabiner. So now that's through the small carabiner. I pull all the way up to as high as I go. I reach as high as I can go. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to put a lark's head on my big carabiner. Lark's head knot. Run my carabiner through there. Usually, depending on the weight, that's enough. Then what happens as you let go of your down rope, it goes up, it catches, and now this bag is hanging in a tree where a bear can't get it. Now you want to keep it far enough. If I'm the base of if I'm the stalk of the tree, if I'm the trunk, and I hang it right here, a bear can climb up there and reach out and get this. Now remember, bears don't have thumbs, so even if this rope is hanging down, they can't pull to get this down and pull this back down to undo it. So this is a pretty reasonable place to get it up in a tree. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to disconnect this real quick, and we're going to get right to it, because it takes no time at all. First thing I got to do is I got to get my bag up over a limb. So what I've done, instead of trying to throw my food, because it could be kind of heavy, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just put some rocks in it. So I got some rocks here that I picked up around camp. Not too many of them, just 4. Just give me a little weight so I can get it up over there. So, and I have a limb back here in the back. You're not going to see the limb. I'm going to throw it up over, but I'm going to show you how this works well. So we're going to go back here and we're going to throw it up. Now I got my bag over there. I don't need the rocks anymore. Let's take the weight off because we don't need any more weight up there on that limb as we have to, so I can put the rocks back to nature. Nice. So I do have my smellables. I'm going to hook them onto my small carabiner. All right, that's on there now. I'm going to take my down rope or my pull rope and I'm going to hook it through my carabiner. And now you can see I can go ahead and pull my bag clear up into the tree. Now I'm not going to put it up there where it's out of sight, but I'm going to put it up high enough. And then I'm about 6'5", so I want to reach as high as I can. Maybe you might want to get a stump on it because if a bear stands on its hind feet, its claws could hit it and rip open the bag and get your food anyway. So you want to get at least 7-8 feet off the ground. So like I said, I tied my lark's head, put my carabiner through it, and now I just have to let the weight of my food come down. And you can see right here, it's just hanging in the bag. I can let it go. I can take my rope. I can wind it up and put it underneath it, and it'll be safe and secure until morning. I want to go and get it down. All I do is take my down rope, pull it down, take my carabiner off, and I just have to release the down rope, and my food comes down to me, and take it off. Pretty easy, pretty basic. Keeps the food out of reach. One thing you do want to be mindful of is make sure you're not tying it to a widowmaker. A widowmaker is a dead limb that's hanging out there. You get enough food on there, you pull on it, that thing will just come right down on top of you. So bear bags, lightweight, easy to do. Hope you enjoyed it.